This 2019 Keystone Alpine 3700FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Georgetown, Kentucky, 40324 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Lexington. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, Slideout, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front living area, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.